To fight my PCOS, PCOD side effects, I eat healthy meal, but sometimes I want to eat something so-called junk, something fried. So I make sure I try to make a better version of it, like use vegetables. So here I'm using pumpkin, and this is shallow fried. So pumpkin is very good. It has a full of nutrition, vitamin A, zinc. It's very good for your skin and for digestion also. So peel off the skin and cut it into slices. Not too thick, not too thin. Pumpkin doesn't take much time to cook. This is the perfect size. And then we are going to rinse it with water, and use pumpkin in the diet when it's in the season. It's very good for digestion, for your vision, for your skin, and loads of nutrients also. Add a little bit of salt, and now we are going to make the coating. I'm using chickpea flour, rice flour, all the spices, providing the detailed instructions on my website. And then some curry leaves. Curry leaves are optional. I try to include curry leaves a little bit in my cooking. So mix it very well. Now you can make it like a batter and coat the pumpkin slices, or make like a thick paste and coat each slice, whichever is suitable. So I'm going to apply this to the pumpkin slices, coat it very nicely so each bite will have that coating which is crispy because of rice flour, and also that spice will come in your bite. So coat it very nicely. We are not going to leave it for marination and all that because pumpkin will leave water. We have added salt to this. Add some oil, and then this doesn't require much oil also. Place it on a skillet on a medium heat and cover it and cook it on both the sides. And it won't take much time. Flip it and it's done when you can try it with a fork. Fork will pass through it. Add a little bit of oil. Traditionally, pumpkin is cooked with mustard oil, but you can use coconut oil, any oil of your choice. Do try this.